Oh, that is lovely. Welcome back to the channel. So this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I've opened the box and it looks like it's upside down, but that's actually the way it's come, because on this side there's a space for the camera there. So that's quite bizarre. And yeah, look at that fresh screen. I'm going to put a brand new screen protector on it, which is good. Yeah, this is the braided cable that comes with it, your usual SIM card slot. And that's it, no plug and no stickers. I'm quite devastated by the stickers, to be honest, even though I never actually use them. But yeah, let's get the screen protector on. Oh, that is lovely. All right, screen protector time. So I've got the Torras screen protector, and the idea is it's supposed to be a bubble-free installation. So let me just open it. It's quite a... Oh, upside down. That's it. FLS installation, auto dust assimilation, H2H protection, anti-fingerprint design. And I think you just pull it and it pops on the screen protector without actually having any fingerprints. So that was all the wet wipes. I don't really use them, to be honest. Kind of just microfiber it. FLS installation. Okay, so pull. All right, let's pop this in. And there is actually only, is there just one? Yeah, it's just one. So if I mess that up, I mess it up. I stand corrected. There's actually already a screen protector in here. This one is a spare one, so I'm going to keep that to the side. All right, so let's hope I'm doing this properly. Top goes there. I'm supposed to just... I don't really want to scratch this, to be honest. Yeah, looks like it's in. And then I just pull, right? That's what it's saying. I'm going to double check the instructions, align the guidance frame, make sure to place it correct direction, and pull out the long plastic sheet. Okay. Yeah, pull it out. Oh wow. I have no idea if this is done properly. Wait for it to seal. And yeah, I don't know, that just felt really weird. I mean, if the results are good, then obviously it says use the scraper provided to smooth out the edges. I have no idea where my scraper is. There it is. The scraper is on the back. Okay, it says wait a few seconds. It's actually on. I can't actually tell. Is that a screen protector on? Yeah, it's come off. Look at that. I thought that was a screen protector peeling off, but it's actually put a screen protector. I can't see it. Wow, that is crazy. A lot of bubbles in here which tend to go by itself. I think it's part of what I did, but that is amazing. I'm gonna have a look closely if these are dust particles. I tell you what, that was not bad at all. I had quite a few bubbles, so I had to lift it up just ever so slightly and put it down again. And it's actually a really good installation. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. It is, I'll put the link to it in the description. It is a bit more pricier than regular screen protectors, but yeah, I can't even tell it's on there, honestly. And yeah, if there's anything wrong with the clarity, I'll obviously let you know. I haven't actually set up the phone yet, but yeah, let me know in the comments below, like and subscribe, and until next time.